Welcome back to Asia Tonight. Business News continues now, and Australia's Prime Minister Scott Morrison has warned that the economic impact of COVID-19 could be worse than the 2008 global financial crisis.
COVID-19 is a global health crisis, but it also has very real and very significant economic impacts, potentially greater than the global financial crisis, especially for Australia. The epicentre of this crisis, as opposed to that one, is much closer to home. The GFC impacts were centred on the North Atlantic, and back then China was in a position to cushion the blow for Australia.
The Australian government is set to announce stimulus measures to boost the economy. The support package is expected to be worth $6.6 billion. Mr. Morrison is urging Australians to work together to overcome the virus outbreak. And so far, 100 people in the country have been infected. 3 people there have died. Qantas is cutting its capacity by almost a quarter for the next 6 months. Chief Executive Alan Joyce says that demand for flights to Europe and North America has dropped.
We are taking 25% of capacity out of our international operation and 5% out of our domestic operation. It will mean that we are grounding now 10 of the 12 A380s. In fact, we're grounding around 38 aircraft in total. We, in addition to that, will be trying to avoid redundancies as best we can.
Qantas will use smaller aircraft as well. The carrier's Sydney to London route currently has a stopover in Singapore, but that will temporarily change to a Perth stopover from April the 20th. Qantas will ground 38 planes, more than double the 18 announced last month. An order of A350 jets will also be delayed. The company has slashed top management salaries by 1/3 and has encouraged staff to take time off.